This will be a short video explaining what coplanar force system is. And let's start with the classification of force systems. So it is divided into a coplanar force system. So from the word coplanar, so plane, that means coplanar, that means they share the same plane, coplanar. So if the forces are on the same plane or lying on the same plane, that means they are coplanar. And they're divided into different types of systems. So the first one is the concurrent coplanar force system. What do you mean by concurrent again? Concurrent, that means they meet at the same point or they have a common point. If you look at this figure in here, P1, P2, P3, and P4, they meet at a common point. That means they are concurrent. And they are also coplanar because they are lying on the same plane. And that plane is this. So they are on the same plane and they meet at a common point. So they are coplanar and they are also concurrent. So concurrent coplanar force system. That's one type. And here's another type. It is the collinear coplanar force system. Collinear, that means one line. Coplanar, one plane. And in the diagram here, we have F1, F2, and F3. They lie on the same plane, coplanar, and they are on the same line. That means collinear. So the forces are collinear coplanar. And the next one is the parallel coplanar. Parallel, so the forces means they are parallel. If you look at the diagram of R1, R2, and R3, they are indeed parallel forces, and they are on the same plane, and that plane is this plane. That's the side of the box. So they're lying on the same plane, and they are parallel. So they are parallel coplanar force systems. And the next one is the non-parallel coplanar force system. The forces are not parallel. Look at the forces P, Q, and R. They are not parallel. So they are non-parallel, but they are coplanar because they are all lying on the same plane. And that is the top of the rectangle or the square. So non-parallel coplanar force system. And those are all the types of coplanar force systems. If you have some questions, please leave a comment below. See you in the next video.